Okay, the focus of this one's going to be on this building right here. It's kind of a cool little space, and we're going to show you what's around here, and then we're going to kind of encircle it, and then we're going to make it the focus of this particular video. So I don't know what it is exactly, but I see it all the time. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this one with this little mannequin in the window, it's a little bit hard, there's a glare. Just to give you an idea, Rua dos Invernarios is down that way. So we filmed this street and these two streets, and then there's kind of all this little cool stuff everywhere in all these different directions. And what we're gonna do is follow this street up to Senado Square area, and then we're just gonna see what's around here as well. But this is kind of a cool space right there. So I don't know exactly what it is, but it's like a I don't know. Just kind of see what's around here too. So here's some funny stuff. Part Macau, and we're just gonna focus on all the little tiny stuff that's around this space too, including this one, Petisco. What the heck is this? It's a kitchen. So interesting. I do want to eat, but I don't want to eat right now. But that is a place that I might come back and eat though. It's really interesting. But actually the main focus of this particular video is this yellow building straight ahead. This one. So let's see what else is around here. So got more restaurants. Okay. And this one says Modern Street, so I guess this is part of the building of this shop called Modern Street. And then this is our thoroughfare. So we're gonna go up a little bit more, and then we're gonna look back at this, then put it all in context. So this is kind of a nice little tourist area right here. This little Chinese temple thing. And then this is the one I was focusing on this. So there's got a mannequin and a mannequins, and then I think they have just clothing that's up there. Step back a little bit. So yep. So this is kind of a little thoroughway that connects with Rua dos Invernarios, and then Sao Paulo Ruins is straight this way, and then Senado Square is behind us. So let's just slowly move the camera that way. And then that's Senado Square direction. And then you have this temple right here. And then this was kind of the focus. I don't know how cool it looks in a camera, because I'm getting a lot of other stuff. It's not like, but you know, a lot of times when you walk down this one, there's like that kind of interesting. I think because of that being the focus, I'm gonna walk back down again. Actually, let me do this a little bit differently. We're gonna walk, just so you can have the full context. You have all of this, all of this, all of this is a Chinese temple little thing. Then we're gonna walk down that way in a minute, but now you can kind of see like this building as well and how it's connected. And then this one goes all the way down to Senado Square, so it's kind of like Rua de Sao Paulo, and just kind of stinks all the way down. And then there's a little temple right there. And then we're going to walk down it again, and then we're going to put everything into context a little bit. Fruit stand. So when you walk by it, it looks quite interesting. So you got these large mannequins, so there's kind of a 1 shop, 2 shop, 3 shop, so there's kind of this diagonal like that, right? But the store itself is kind of basic. Like there's a lot of empty space. They don't really use up the space in a way that seems very logical to me. and then you just keep walking down this way, and then I'll show you a little bit of Rua dos Invernários. So we're gonna walk into that in a minute, and that way you can kind of put it all into context. So we're kind of up at that Sanado Square area, and now we're gonna walk into this little space. And then later this will be filled with foods. And then this Rua dos Invernários is the street of the herbalist. So a long time ago they would have had a lot of traditional Chinese items in this space, and then the city would have ended at the end of this road. But yeah, the main focus of this particular video is those is that little space back there. So we're just gonna go all the way down, and then we're gonna film in a minute. And then we're gonna go down and say hi in a minute as well. There's a bar that I know, the people who are down there. And now we're gonna come back around this way, and then that's where we were at for the other video, for the beginning of the video. Get a little bit dark now. Okay, so anyways, I guess we'll end it there. So now you got to see a little bit of Invernários as well. You kind of got to see how everything is put together. There we go. And then that's where we're gonna go later. And we're just gonna come up this way again and put everything back into context with the original building that was the focus of this whole video. They're so cool. And the main focus is this one right there. So okay, so we're gonna end it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.